Okay, class. Good evening. So, to discuss your prelims exam on contemporary world. So, what will be your prelims on contemporary world? So your prelims will be a debate on the effects of globalization. So, for the objective of this debate is to critically analyze and discuss the various effects of globalization on economies, cultures, and societies. Students will be assigned to either argue in favor of the positive impacts of globalization or against it, promoting a well-rounded understanding of the topic. So, when will be this class debate? The debate will be on Monday during your period. So, this will be conducted online. So, the class will be divided into 4 groups. Bakit 4 groups? Kasi dalawang topic yung pagdedebatehan ninyo. For the first 2 groups, Group 1 and Group 2, the topic is all about does globalization promotes economic growth and reduces poverty. So, Group 1 will be in favor of this topic. So, um, magre-research kayo about why globalization promotes economic growth and reduces poverty. For Group 2, negative. On the negative side kayo. So, magre-research kayo ng mga articles or materials na nagbaback up dito sa um, stand ninyo na hindi nakakapag-promote ng economic growth and in fact nakakapagpataas ng poverty rate yung globalization. So same with group 3 on the positive side of this topic and group 4 on the negative side of this topic. So dito matetest yung tulungan ninyo as a group. So make sure that everyone will contribute some resources to um, back up your argument. So, how will be this debate be conducted? So, every group will select 2 speakers. So, speaker 1, sila yung mag-opening statement. Sa opening statement, yung first speaker ng group 1, magpepresenta sila ng mga arguments why they are in favor of the topic na naka-assign sa inyo. Yung speaker 1 ng group 2, magprepresent din siya ng arguments why they are not in favor of that topic. And then sa cross-examination, si speaker 1 ng group 1, aatakihin niya yung arguments ng speaker 1 ng group 2. And then, yung speaker 1 ng group 2, aatakihin din niya yung arguments na present sa opening statement ng group 1. And then, yan, basically, pagdedebatehan nyo yung argument nung kalaban. So, dapat connected sa sinasabi ng, dapat tutuligsain mo yung sinasabi ng iyong kalaban. So, and yung ikalawang speaker, ano naman yung role nila? So, sila yung magko-closing statement. Yung speaker 2 ng group 1, he or she will summarize yung mga points na sinabi nung unang speaker nila. And then, yung speaker 2 ng group 2, isa-summarize niya din yung mga points na sinabi ng kagrupo niya. So, yan yung format ng debate. Paano kayo gagradean? We will be using the messenger poll. So, kung sino yung may pinakamaraming votes, kung sino yung mas naantig nyo yung kalooban nila, yan. The group will be garnering a perfect score for the prelims exam. And then, how about the other members? So, after the debate ng kada group, I will be asking the rest of the members kung ano din yung stand nila regarding doon sa topic. So, make sure, kaya mapipilitan talaga kayo na lahat may contribution doon sa dito sa prelims ninyo. Okay? Nandito na sa document yung groupings. Na-post ko na din ito sa Google Class. Kindly just look for it na lang. So, if you have any questions or clarifications, just send a message sa group chat natin or send me a personal message. Okay, class? Thank you.